Make a DIY push dagger from A4 paper. In this video, we'll show you how to easily create a unique push dagger out of A4 paper. This origami-style craft is perfect even for beginners. All you need to do is follow the steps closely and make each fold carefully. What you'll need: 4 sheets of A4 paper glue scissors. Estimated time around 20 to 30 minutes. We've prepared a complete step-by-step tutorial, and if you follow it, success is guaranteed. This is a super fun project to impress your friends or just enjoy some creative time. What is a push dagger? A push dagger is a special type of knife with a T-shaped, sometimes L-shaped handle that sits perpendicular to the blade. In real life, it's usually a compact self-defense tool, but in our version, it's 100% safe. It's made of paper and purely for creativity and fun. It's a blast to make, perfect for doing and with friends, kids, or even turning into a friendly competition to see who builds the best one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow. Your support motivates us to keep making new tutorials and creative DIY projects. Let us know in the comments what you liked, what worked best for you, and what you'd love to see in future videos. We read every message and love seeing your creations come to life. See you soon for more paper adventures.
bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Subscribe and like. 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 So subscribe, come stay along, join the fun, let's craft it strong. Inspirations everywhere, let's create with love and care. Subscribe and like. Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and